We're here at the camp. We're having Flag Day today and we have our MediaCon for Patriots.
Kung mabuhay pa ako, sir.
Ano ang mga kwentong dala nila? Ano ang mga ibig sabihin ng tunay na pagiging makabayan? Ako si Mateo Guidicelli. Samahan niyo akong kilalanin ang mga Pilipinong buong tapang na naglilingkod sa bansa.
I think this is the first time na meron talagang show dedicated to our uniformed personnel.
We're doing 12 plus episodes. Each episode is talking to different soldiers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. I did a docu like this last year for GMA, but it was only focused on the Army. Now we're doing all branches of service, from the Army, the Air Force, the Marines, the Navy. Yeah, all. And I think the Pag-asa tour was very interesting because that was the second time I was there, and we were able to see the development after a year, and it was a very special time because General Browner is his last time to be there, kumbaga, and he gave each and every soldier the Gawad ng Kapayapaan Award, not just everybody in the Army uniform, but even the firemen and the police, giving thanks to the soldiers that were there to protect the sovereignty of our country. Yun, I mean, the Pag-asa is just one of many aspects we're talking about here. We're talking about different soldiers, from Major Bala Tamayo to the first female jet pilot, and then a ranger. Iba-ibang kwento. People that were injured in the service, like Sir Hakuba on my left, at iba't ibang mga kwento of valor, that why these individuals serve our country, what the purpose is, and why they're inspired to do so. So kumbaga, we ask them at the end of each interview, what is the definition of being a patriot to you? So it's very interesting because iba't iba yung mga answers nila. So abangan niyo po this coming June. And again, thank you very much for the opportunity, Signal, and of course the AFP for this project. Because I always tell my friends, especially in the AFP, I will never be like one of them. But my advocacy and my promise to them is to continue to tell their story, kumbaga. So that's why we're here. Thank you.
Maganda yung impact nito sa mga kasundaluhan natin ay may inspire pa sila more na kasi nandiyan si Mateo na kahit ano yung mga mangyari sa akin dito, it will be publicized or magkakaroon ng buhay, ma-recognize pa rin kasi maraming mga kasundaluhan nag-retire na lang, tinatawag nila sa sarili nila is a forgotten hero .